What's up, Internet? This is Tay with Snkrsden, and today we are taking a look at the Disney Adidas Ultraboost Goofy. After the debut of a Mickey Mouse-inspired Boost 4.0, now Disney joins the fun again with this Goofy iteration coming sometime this summer. Set to retail for $180, the model starts off with a Primeknit base of all black. Next, Goofy graphics are found throughout the upper and Boost midsole in bold blue, green, yellow, and red. Mickey's best pal appears to be playing baseball, surfing, and just being, well, goofy on all the graphics. Black laces and in vibrant blue and red aglets. Ultra text on the heel counter as well as on the tongue tag present itself in the blue, yellow, green, and red color schemes as well. A quick peek inside the shoe and we can clearly see Goofy's face as well as the Adidas logo in OG black and white on the sole insert. And if you look even closer, you can see more Goofy graphics. Gosh, I sure can't wait until these are ready to cop. Yuck. How about you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay safe, like and subscribe to the channel, and follow us on all the social media platforms. Until next time.